How to invite collaborators on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can invite collaborators on Instagram, so make sure to watch the videos till the very end. Inviting collaborators on Instagram is very easy. Open up the Instagram application and make sure that you're signed into the account. Then just tap the plus icon which you see at the bottom of the screen and allow the access to all your photos or videos. Once you have done that, select a certain post that maybe you would like to upload for some reason over here. So you can just go ahead and then select a particular post over here. Once you select a certain photo, for example, all you have to do is just tap the next button there, and after that you will see this type of interface where you'll find an option called tag people. So tap on tag people. Under tag people you'll find an option called invite collaborators. So tap the invite collaborators option and just make sure to invite the collaborator that you would like to add. That's all it takes to invite collaborators on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.